Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade erasers. First, gather your materials. You'll need white school glue, cornstarch, and a small amount of water. Also, grab a mixing bowl and a spoon. Make sure your workspace is clean and ready for some fun. This simple project is perfect for crafting a custom eraser in just a few steps, using common household items you likely already have on hand. Now let's mix our ingredients. Start by pouring 2 tablespoons of white school glue into your mixing bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then, carefully add 1/4 teaspoon of water. Stir everything together really well with your spoon. You're aiming for a thick, dough-like consistency that pulls away from the sides of the bowl. This is the base of your new eraser. Once your mixture is a dough, transfer it to a clean, dry surface. Now comes the fun part, kneading. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes. This helps to activate the ingredients and create a smooth, consistent texture. As you knead, the dough will become more pliable. After kneading, shape your eraser into any form you like. You can make it a classic rectangle or something more unique. After shaping, place your homemade eraser in a safe spot to air dry. This drying process is crucial and typically takes between 24 to 48 hours, depending on the humidity and the size of your eraser. Once completely dry, your custom eraser will be firm and ready to tackle any pencil marks. It's a satisfying feeling to use something you've made yourself. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.